Hello everybody, I'm here with my mom. Don't we look like? We're at Michael's. This is like our favorite place ever. My mom used to own a floral shop with my dad, so we love like picking out florals and all that kind of stuff. I'm currently preparing for a Friendsgiving that I'm hosting at the end of this week, and then we're going to use all of the stuff from the Friendsgiving at our actual Thanksgiving. We host a huge Thanksgiving every year, and so I kind of just want to show you what's in my cart and like how we're planning on doing it, and then I'll take you through the process. Sound good, Mom? Yep. We have so many different kinds of florals because right now everything is 60% off from the fall section, so we're taking advantage of it. I have 5 of these, I think, just because we're going very neutral with the tablecloth, so we want some greens, like muted greens, to pop. I'm gonna be making a ribbon banner of sorts, I guess you could say, so I will take you along with that because it's kind of hard to explain just from talking about it. I have this eucalyptus that is going to be like the big table runner, and then alongside the eucalyptus I'm also going to be melting these candles and having different heights of melted candles, and I think that's going to be beautiful. This is for the ribbon banner. And then our tablecloth is going to be this because it's easy cleanup, so it's this craft paper. But then we're going to be doing a burlap table runner under all of these florals. And then I have little leftover bins that I'm going to make super, super cute for my Friendsgiving. And I'm so excited. I think hosting and planning and decorating is my new favorite thing to do. This is the messy setup we've got going on. We just cut all of the fabric for the knot hanging thing that we're gonna make. Jordan's helping me out here. It's Halloween right now. 2020. Halloween 2020, and we're about to make this thing. So make sure you check your fabrics at Michael's because some of these were like 20 yards and some were 3. So that's fun. This is our creation. We used a whole bunch of different kinds of materials and we just knotted them all up, and they're all different lengths because we had more material than others. But Jordan, hop in there. This is what it'll look like in a picture. Like, you won't be able to see, especially because we'll have all of our friends here, so we're all gonna be covering it. And then we've got a balloon arch coming in from Lushra that's gonna go over here. I wanted to do this design on the table. I thought that it would be so pretty, so I decided just to practice. I want to show you what I've sort of come up with. Obviously, these are so messy and so close together. They'll definitely be spaced further apart. So I just took a Sharpie to this craft paper and I'm gonna do leaves just like that. That sort of like outline a plate, and then people's names inside of them just as like a place marking. I think it'll come out cute, especially because like from further away it looks nicer, you know? We just finished watching The Bachelorette. It is Thursday night. Rest in peace, Claire. It's Thursday night and we are making the balloon arch by Party with Lushra. It's their DIY balloon arch. And we're planning like an assembly line. So it's gonna start with Jordan.
That's me.
Jordan has the longest nails of all of us. So she's just gonna be blowing up the balloons. And then I'm gonna be rounding the balloons and Jamie's gonna be tying them. So we're gonna see how this goes. Jamie did the hands-on labor. She did all the tie-in. Today is the day of Friendsgiving, so I have lots to do. I need to do some cooking, lots of errands, just so many things that I have to get done. But I just went to Cakes by Ron because they are providing the cookies for this year, and I have to show you them. They are so cute. I sent them a picture from Pinterest. They were like, yeah, we can do that. Turned out perfect. This is the Cakes by Ron store. It's on Beneva in Fruitville. I always come here. They did my 21st birthday cake, which I'll attach a picture of here, and they're just so good and scrumptious, and I love them. I ordered 12 of these little pumpkin pie cookies. They are so cute. Oh my gosh. They're seriously perfect. They're everything I ever wanted. I just finished up whipping up this sweet potato casserole. I'm about to put it in the oven. It's a lot like prettier and brighter here, but the lighting is kind of weird, so it's making it look gross. I didn't check in for a few hours, but everything is set up now. I just really wanted to make sure everything got set up in time because it was cutting it so close. So I'm just gonna take you on a tour of the house. This is a little backdrop balloon arch, you know, the one that Jamie, Jordan, and I set up. Jordan and I did this on Halloween, as you remember. And then going into here, this is the table with the bar area on this side. I just added so many of these extra fillers. I forget the name of them, but we've got this set up. I'm gonna light all of these candles in about 15 minutes, but I don't want them to burn too much. So I have, Mark's name is under here. I just wanted the table runner to go through, but I'm pretty impressed with myself for being able to do these names on the table. I'm pretty happy about this. Oh, I almost forgot I hadn't shown you my outfit, so I'll show you that in a second. So that's my spot. Last but not least, we have this hot cocoa bar. So I'll have the hot water in there. Then I have the Swiss Miss. I have like a little Christmas decor going on. I got these cups from Home Goods. These from Home Goods, that from Target. They're both super affordable, so I think this is just like a cute little station that I have set up. And then let me adjust my outfit. This is my outfit, and then I'm wearing scrunch over the knee booties, which I think are so cute. So this is the look. I'll try and keep you guys filled in, but I really just want to be in the moment, so I'm gonna film as much as I can. I'm sure there'll be more clips, and I'll check back with you soon. It has been such a fun night. Most people are heading out now, so I'm making some hot cocoa to go for everyone. Just finished up the goodie bags as you saw in the last story. We played a fun game. It's called Do You Know Me? And it was so funny. So I will link that below because if you are like hosting anything, it's so good. It's definitely not a family friendly game, but so good. That's apple cider.
Love apple cider.
So good.
You're on your own, sorry, buddy.
Could you find your way home from here?